Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for Monday the 8th of November 2021, and here we have a selection of the best games, creations, visual effects and everything made within Unity, and you can submit to me if you have an awesome creation and have a chance to feature in next week's episode. So be sure to come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts and projects from all the tutorials that I do. Throw a like on this video and thank you so much for watching. Felix is a solo developer working on Morbid metal, third person, sci-fi, action roguelike, and you can shapeshift to do awesome combos. Dex 3D has got some beautiful drifting. Loop Nova Studio has got a full year of development and their indie parkour tag game is finally available on Steam. Square Anon is working on a game called Blocky Dungeon, and this is a really cool Tetris inspired dungeon crawler. Altsu_Alata has got the skyscraper building management game called High Rise Mogul. ResinDev has been working on some bridge physics and some fish in this cool little lizard game. Tommaso Romano has got ivy everywhere. Trey Powell 1964 has got some really awesome new effects for his game Fallen Aces. Ruby Benji has got some really awesome working project for the first boss fight with their indie project Shurika. Theo Volumic has got an interior design app, all in Unity. Baked Games Official has got, after long years of hard work, their game Prison Simulator is ready for Steam. StudioTatsu has got driving monster trucks and crushing all the vehicles. Dare_Kevin has got some stuff that's finally coming together. Darren Boy Game has got Where the Story Begins. Adam Olivegren has got a really cool augmented reality project where you can visualize materials in the real world. Skow, at 16 months after quitting his own job and going full-time as a solo developer, is about to release his first game, a colony builder with tower defense called Ekstase Borealis. Elementalis has got some really cool 2D effects when you embark on your journey. PLOS has got some new movement mechanics for their shooter and it looks really cool. There Kevin's at it again with the Room of Doom. So thank you so much for checking out the Made with Unity Mondays for this week. For the 8th of November 2021, I'll leave all the links in the description so you can check them out. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Do come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts and projects from all the content that I create across YouTube. Come and chat to me on Discord, check out my great assets on the Unity store, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.